Good day, viewers. If this is your first time on watching my video, please subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. Without wasting much of your time, this is one of the agitators of Oduduwa, Sunday Igboho. This is his house where the DSS, whatever, Nigerian government go there and destroy and kill people there and take away his wife, destroy his cars and so many things. Now, I want to ask for those Nigerians who are saying that Nnamdi Kanu is instigating war, is preaching hate. Is it Nnamdi Kanu that did this now? We have to be truthful to ourselves. We cannot pretend that everything is all right when things are not all right. We have to talk. We cannot be hypocrites. Is it Nnamdi Kanu that sent his boys, or who did this? Destroy his cars, kill people in his house, destroy everything in the house, and then scatter away with his wife. Now I want you to answer me. Is it done by Nnamdi Kanu? This is a country where we don't want to face it reality. This government of Buhari is totally a failure, and we have to tell each other the truth. Look at now. Look at what they did. They have been attacking this guy. This guy is doing peaceful protests. He's not killing people. He's defending his own land because he feels his people, they have no voice. Somebody must speak for them. So now you see, can you see all what they did? They come to the house, destroy things and kill people there. And then you say people should not talk. This is what Nnamdi is doing. That is why he ran away. Not that he was afraid, but he has to run away because the same thing happened to him. They killed his family and nobody is talking about it. He lost his mother and his father and some of his relation. Nobody is talking about that. That is what happened to Nnamdi Kanu. Now this is Sunday Igboho or the Oduduwa. It's high time that the Igbo and the Yoruba should come together, because it's like the Northerners don't want one nation, and somebody is backing them up. If you now, I know some people are going to say, "Oh, international community." No, international community are not going to do anything. The scripture says we run to those who cannot save us. International community, they are not there for your interest. Since you cannot solve your problem, they will leave you with your problem. They are it's even better because it's opportunity for them to exploit. So don't believe in international community are going to rescue you. You have to defend yourself. Look at now. They went to his house, destroy everything. This is the second time they have been destroying his house. At what point are we going to quiet and then watch all these things happening like this just because of you protest for your right? This is a country, no light, no 24-hour electricity, no good road, no good health. The president travel to foreign land. If those countries you travel to, if they don't build their own hospital and put their things in order, will you travel to that place? These are the questions we need to ask. So some coward that they will stay in the corner instead of you to come out and support the truth. You are pretending, putting blame on Nnamdi Kanu, instigating. Now Nnamdi Kanu has been arrested. According to them, they say it was by the Interpol, whatever. But now you can see it yourself. Where is Nnamdi's hand in this now? Where is his hand? So that means Nigeria has been a government of Nigeria is a systematic way. They have killing squad. When you speak, they will come and attack you. When you defend your people, you become enemy. This is what is. We have to say what it is. These are terrorists. Terrorists in uniform. We have to say it. Look at what they did to his house. They destroy everything. Look at. Destroy his house up and down. Break everything. Take away his wife. And then kill about 2 people there in his house. You see? So Where is the justice here? Nigeria is a nation where case is in the court and they will come and arrest that same person in the same court. And you say that country is a country where it's peaceful and it's a place where people should quiet, should not talk. Is that what you are saying? Look at what they did to him. This is how the whole thing started. You see?